Price is just ripping. Alright, what's the next potential? Nah, no way. We're already up 400 points. The pre-market. I wonder if we get. What time is it? Say, I wonder if we get rejected up here or not. Keep an eye out for that. This down here. Smooth this up here. Full screen. Alright, so we got orders above 500. Yeah. And we got FOMC today. This might be I wonder. Or 3. I gotta see us make it past 360 though. But that's like 20 points away. Let's see, 504. 504. Look at all them orders sitting up there. Oh, that's interesting. We got negative CVD. That's very interesting. Got negative CVD on bookmap. Negative delta. We're still in negative delta. Huh. Did we get a dump at open? That'd be crazy. Probably pump then dump. Alright, gotta look out for this area here. Just in case we do get a dump down into there. Okay. Hell yay. Pivot 381. Then if we do keep pumping, I could see a resistance at 479, 480. Got the orders sitting up there, nothing below. Well, we got orders at 150, 19, 150. Mark that on here, 19, 150. That's like just below, yeah, just below VWAP. 50 and we'll call that like 504. It's probably 505. Okay, yeah, it's probably gonna continue pumping up. What time is it? 8 o'clock? Yeah. But it's crazy we're in negative delta still. Are people gonna get trapped? Is this a trap? Or is this real? I mean, we did all that running up pre-market off of earnings. Buy the dip opportunity. I'll be looking to see if this is a trap. Or a possible vicious short that I want to be a part of. Because we reject up here again. And then that's serious supply. Still negative delta. So we could see a pop up. See a pop up in here. And then a rejection. Could see that. Either it's gonna pop up, reject, and be vicious, or we're gonna break through it and continue up towards those orders. But we'll see. It's giving me vibes that it's gonna reject, but there's no telling what they're gonna do at New York Open. It's giving me pop and reject vibes, but with all this bullish momentum, I mean, it's pre-market though. You can't really. I don't know. Are people gonna want to take profits at open? I guess that's the question. Are they gonna keep buying it up? That's the question for right now. And map this out on this chart. Definitely gonna keep this area in mind. Reject. Alright, let's look at the even 1,000 tick, yes. Oh no. Can't call it right now, but I feel like it's gonna tip over. Might pop, then drop. they take profits. But I do think if this, or we could, oh yeah, it'd be interesting to see. Do we get a continuation, pre-market bullish continuation? Maybe they want to take it to the next level up. I'm eyeing like what did I say, 470, 479. Maybe 475 right now. Yeah, I'm gonna say 475. See what happens around there. Or do they take profit? Ooh, look how that lines up with the 23%. We know that 23% price likes to reject. It likes to find support and resistance at that 23%. So 23% to the downside right here, 240, 239, which kind of lines up with our area. I think, let me see. Up, here we go. Yeah, 240, 239. Okay, let's check the smaller time frames. Because I don't want to get caught. And then we got FOMC today. And we know, we know Powell pumps it initially. Let's see, 475. 75-ish. That orange. Okay, they call it a weak high on the 5-minute, but this is strong momentum. Let's look at the 15. Okay. Yeah, I'm showing demand at 230. If we do get a drop, we do get a vicious drop. Yeah, 230, that 230 to 240 range. Maybe a little bit higher. I'm showing demand down there. All right. Point of control over here at 215. Bookmap point of control, yeah, around the same area. If we do get a drop, price is pumping. I don't want to fall for it though. I don't want to fall for it, but I don't want to get left behind as well. I mean, I'm pretty much already left behind, but if we got potential to go up another 100 points, I don't want to get left behind for that ride. But what I'm seeing is hella bullish momentum right now, pre-market. Let's see if that continues into the open. Still negative delta, but it's lessening. It's heading towards the positive, but it's still negative. $78 orders at 400. It seems like there was a lot of volume, a lot of orders, a lot of transactions that took place around here. This 200 level. Something to keep in mind. $349. Okay. All right. Well, we are prepped. We are prepped. Got everything drawn out. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Good amount of rest. Time is it? All right. Charger at. Chicago PMI at 845. Pending home sales at 9. Then we got crude. Let's take a look at a CL chart. Since my YM chart is delayed, might as well put CL back up here. You got CL delayed too? Yeah, what? What is going on? CL's at 76. All right, I guess not. Back to NQ then. Guess I could look at ES. So ES made it past the 200 average. 600 for ES, 56 again. 5. Can it do it though? Negative CVD is picking up. But it's not reflecting in the price. Huh. So what? Bears want to short this? Yeah, why is the delta going negative? Hella increasing negative, but not reflecting in price. Because we are at that supply level. Got to keep that in mind. We are at that supply level where price rejected around here like 3 different times. Is today any different? The last high we got was like 390 before that super rejection. And if we're gonna get a nasty rejection, I want to be a part of that. I want to be a part of the pump too. So just go off what the charts give us. Don't try to predict anything. I think that's the name of the game today. Hella bullish momentum right now. Negative delta. It's crazy. How do you take that information and use it to our advantage? And this is going to be a case where they fade the pre-market move again at New York Open. Must have beat Pope. Tease up something. Try to see count. It's too many options. John Stockton. I'm still tired. Still negative. Yo, if this is a trap, this would be so epic. This would be the most epic trap. Like the negative delta is stacking up, but price is going up. It's definitely diverging. I mean, look at this. Look at the cumulative delta on this chart going down while price goes up. Oh, what up? What up? Hold on. Hold on. Wait. Let me get you on. I got stuff muted because I was listening to music. All right, you live.
Okay, I got one thing to say before we start. Just one thing.
What's that?
My name is NASDAQ Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a truck.
What have you done? That don't sound good.
No, it's not bad. Remember, I said I'm not. I told myself I wasn't going to trade the NASDAQ no more.
Oh my
And focus
god.
on the ES. Yo, I made $1,400 in the pre-market, dude. I initially was like, dude, short this shit, but I was like, dude, we've been here so many times. I longed the top. I made $1,400, and dude, I was scalping, and I was like, dude, this can get to 370. I cut it at 350 because they did that stupid drop at 350, and I was like, damn. And then I go to the gym for like a quick 10 minutes because I was late to the gym because I was sitting here gambling on NASDAQ. And I come back and it hits 370, and I was like, damn, I just left 20 points on the table. But at least I made some money in the morning.
Yes,
But yeah.
that's good. You pretty much should be done with whatever that account is. You should be done in that.
Yeah. So I'm just going to I'm gonna keep trading. I'm gonna see if I can pass it today. Today you can pass the account today, man. There's gonna be enough volatility to get 3K. It's gonna be enough.
Oh, that's
I
a
just have to be patient. You said
MFF.
what?
That's a MFF account.
Yeah. You know that's my new home now. Dude, they bounced it right at 350. Yo, I'm looking at the NASDAQ right now. It's like, dude, you can be trading this right now. Look at all that glorious points when the ES ain't do shit.
Well, it depends on when you got into ES. ES, if you got in like,
Right at the open,
yeah,
yeah.
right at open, you could. You went long, you could on ES. You done caught what? See how many points that is.
That's
So,
like that's 100 points almost. We're almost touching 100 points. The crazy thing
yeah,
is that after I got done doing the NA meeting, I think I got done around like 5 o'clock, and then I started editing the videos. And I was like, dude, I'm longing because they hit that double bottom so perfectly and bounced at the end of the session. I
yeah,
know that they're just gonna keep riding this shit up. And right as I finish the video, I look at it. It didn't do anything. I step away for 2 seconds, and this shit pumps up about 20 points. I was like, and I was like, you can't chase the ES. So I had to sit here and watch it just grind up. No pullbacks, no nothing. Just straight grind up. I was like, damn. Something tell me just like, dude, just get in, just get in, just get in. And I was like, nah, I might pull back on me. It didn't
yeah.
pull back. It just went straight up. But if the price does pull back to about 54.97 on the ES, we do have an opportunity to long it. That'll be your opportunity to long, or possibly VWAP. But yeah, give me a second, guys.
Okay. Call future me. Didn't see the club. Baby, help you get your lingo up. Run to Atlanta when you need a check balance. It's a real bit of challenge. Okay, T minus 2 minutes. 2 minutes till takeoff. All right. So stops just got ran off of that little pump. They want a short. Now we got orders at 400. I think we're gonna, yeah. I don't want to get. Okay, what's the game plan? What's a good game plan going in here for this potential long? If we get a pullback, I think 360 long, because I don't know if we. All right, just be patient. Just be patient. Just be patient. Patience pays today. Patience pays. Yo, you back on the mic? Oh, man. 30 seconds. This is looking like it's gonna pump. But then the bear enemy says short, short, short. Negative delta. All right, about 10 seconds. All right, we off. Oh shoot, let me see the. My bad, I don't have my TickStrike on the board. 390 dropped to 60. Taking profits now? What are we doing? Are we taking profits? No! Or are we trapping bears? What are we doing? Are we dumping? Are we gonna dump the supply again? What do we want to do? It's already down 20 points, 23. Ah, shoot. Ah, shoot, 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 shoot. I don't want to get trapped down here, though. I don't want to get trapped down here short. Delta is hella negative, though. Ah, I don't want to get trapped. 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 F it. F it. F it. F it. F it. Should have got short at the. Okay, okay. Okay, pre-market, we're gonna aim for pre-market, previous pre-market high. But I don't know if they're gonna want to do it. No. I think I waited to press. I waited to press the button to jump on it. I might have waited, yeah, because it's down 30 points. 315. 316. Yeah, so 30-point drop from the highs. Still negative delta. Still negative delta. Gotta give me 2 more points. If you're gonna do that, you gotta give me 2 more points. I don't like that. I don't like that. Why did I wait so long to push the button? All right. So far, so good. Give me that. Give me the points right there, baby. Give me the points. come on, Phil, hit my target. I know I pushed it down a couple. I know I did. Just tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it, darn you. Thank you. Thank you. My goodness.
He doesn't want that anymore.
Oh, shoot. What the freak just happened? Ah! Wow.
Okay. The Nasdaq dropped or something.
Well, it dropped, but then it pumped right back. Well, at least I got my first TP hit, at least. Oh, man, that might have been it.
Damn.
That might be it, but hold on. Let's...
Why am I so addicted to the NQ, man? Why? I'm looking at this price action. I'm like, dude, I should be a part of this, man. I should be a part of this, but...
So is that really the goal, pre-market, and then go up to...
Are you looking at mine?
No.
This I didn't set this one for today. This is like way bad. So
no,
this one might be more accurate. This one might be more accurate. This one. Where's your golden fibs? Or yours? Yeah, it bounced. It rejected right at the golden fib, and it bounced right at the Damn it, dude! Dude. I'm doing. Oh crap, man! That's
oh
too much.
Shoot! Yeah. Wow.
That's
okay, so that was 60 points down. We're like 40 points back up.
Dude, this shit's going up, man.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. All right. So let me stop.
If anything, maybe I can get a quick break even. New break even.
Being addicted to the NQ. Are you shorting this?
No, I was. Well, yeah, I am short. It was a part of my short from. Caught about half of that move because I waited a little too long on the. Ooh, thank you.
Well, I missed that. I missed that short on the ES.
Damn,
or I wasn't looking for short. I might actually long this on the ES actually. Instead of trying to go long on the Nasdaq. I need to make sure that I'm getting in at a good spot. Because we do have news. Actually, I'm just gonna take this because today's bullish. We're bullish today, man.
How much more bullish can you be though? When it's already up 400 points because of the pre-market. We trying to hit that.
Well,
that magic 700 points like we did to the downside that one day. We trying to go 700 points up.
I mean, we okay. So I was thinking about this last night about the different variations of the Powell pump.
You know what? They actually might try to double top this. Didn't I say? Did we get to 390 last time? I can't remember. Damn it! Now I'm. All right. Let me.
Dude, they're bouncing, bro.
I know, but the delta is still negative. That's what I wanted to talk to you about. Looking at.
Oh, the CVD.
Yeah,
let me look at that real quick.
The delta was mad negative, but price was going up. Kind of talked about it in the pre-market.
You know what that means, all right? Well, this is what I think that means. If we're going up and the CVD is negative, you know it. We're going to get a big drop. We're going to this is probably the Powell pump right here. That's what I was thinking about last night. For some reason, I'm thinking that they're going to pump this like up until Powell, and then we might see a dump. So if it's negative, then and it's going up, we all know that behind the scenes, everybody is selling, or as the market is continuously going up. So we can expect to see a big, massive dump probably this afternoon, and I think Amazon and Microsoft, not Amazon and Microsoft, Amazon and Apple saves the market.
Gained weight. Welcome back. He said, couldn't wait to short.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
You know it. You know it, baby.
Man, this is not fair, man. I got a taste of the NQ, and I knew to long this damn thing. Damn it, I'm longing it, man. I can't take this, man. I can't take that.
Yeah.
I missed most of the move already, though.
I mean, it's not too late.
There we go, baby.
There we go. Too late.
I'm just gonna move my stop up, just in case it falls back, because I really don't want to deal with it.
Oh, we got.
I just couldn't stand seeing the Nasdaq do all this, and I can't be a part of it. I just couldn't stand it.
Okay. Yeah.
There we go, baby. There we go.
We got. We got stuff in 5 minutes though.
Yeah, we got the housing news.
Fuck it. F it. What? Oh no.
The boy up 30 points, baby, on the Nasdaq. Did you catch his long?
No, I didn't.
Dude,
I know. I saw it. I know. I saw it. I was too.
Yeah, I get it,
slow
man.
to react.
Yeah, so the Nasdaq, the CVD might be negative on the Nasdaq, but look at well, you're not looking at the ES on Bookmap. The ES is mad positive. So I was like, dude, if it's negative on the Nasdaq and it's positive on the ES, then there's a lot of people selling. And I'm gonna actually show it on my chart, because this morning when I was scalping my way up, I was like, they're gonna probably try to have some resistance at. Actually, you know what? Let me make sure I'm kind of good in this one. I only got 2 micro contracts on, but because they might actually try to dump. Oh, never mind. It's still going up. Actually, I'll have it underneath this candle. No, I'll have it underneath this right here, underneath this fib level, underneath this candle, underneath this fib level. I've already made majority of the money already. The rest of these are just runners. All right, I'll accept that. I just couldn't stand seeing the Nasdaq do all that, and I'm not a part of that. I just couldn't stand that. All right. Oh yeah. I was showing. So yeah, if you look at my chart, there's a lot of resistance here. So that's why a lot of people are selling right now, and we actually might get a dump actually right here. If you look to the left, we do have that break at 410, or that value area high at 410, and they are coming in this area. So there was heavy resistance. That's probably why we're seeing a lot of negative CVD as price trades into this area on the Nasdaq. But on the ES though, the ES is at that level, but it hasn't touched that 53, 55 level yet. So I don't think we dump on the ES until we touch that at least.
Damn.
Until we touch that at least.
Got caught playing around.
Shit.
Got caught. Watch them. Okay, let me look back.
This actually might be a dump right here on the ES. I may have spoken too soon.
Look back.
I may have spoken too soon.
All the way back to 350s? Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, spoken too soon.
That makes sense, though. That makes sense. What was that?
I may have spoken too soon.
377. No, that wasn't it. 390. They just dumped them 400 orders.
Damn.
Damn it, man.
Damn it.
Got caught.
Damn it.
Caught slipping. Damn. It's a beautiful short. Oh, such a beautiful short. Such a beautiful short.
Let me see if they bounce it here at 27.
50. Yeah, that wasn't smart. If anything, I should have been short that previous high. Oh, what am I doing? And short that previous high at 397. Okay.
Okay.
Now
He said okay at the same time. That's so funny. Okay. This is my position, and I'm sticking to it.
What's your position?
No, like I said, my bias is to the long side. I mean, I'm not afraid of little dumps here and there. I mean, I'm not afraid of those. Honestly, I expect people to take profits eventually, but overall, I think we're bullish until certain levels get hit. I mean, it got hit on the Nasdaq already, which, like I said, that's why I was like, hold up, maybe, but we need to get over this 412 level.
$340. Look at this on a different perspective. Okay. So they did drop it to previous pre-market high, then pumped it back up, pumped it up. $414 high, then dropped it to 320. Golly.
Okay, so this is going to be the test for the ES. They might drop it here. It does look like they're trying to sell it off the 21 and the 50. Actually, we may see that drop, actually. Yeah, we may see that drop. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it looks like the bears are coming in. It's always going to be my concern that as long as this position survives the rainbow bears and them shorting the bottom, then I know that I'm good. And once we get over this, once we get over 37 for real, then I know we can actually start going back up higher. Because I know the market wants to at least touch that 55 level. It has, well, not, it doesn't have to do anything, but it doesn't make sense for them to be so close and to not touch it on the ES. It doesn't make sense.
They stacked
on
up.
the Nasdaq, they do that shit all the time. They be front running the shit out of stuff.
Yeah, they stacked up orders again at 400.
I mean, as long as we can get over 37, then this position is good. As long as we can get over here, a strong close above it, but the rainbow bears are coming in heavy right here, so that's my only concern.
Let's look at it a different perspective. Yeah, that was the struggle point, then that was the launch, and the drop.
Okay, yeah. Well, this candle hasn't closed yet. We haven't closed above that 37 yet. Maybe I had to close above it. All right, there we go. We gotta close above it. Okay. Yeah, we should be good. We should be. We should be good now.
Back to launch, back to 400.
Yeah. I need to get it. I was thinking about getting an Apex account this morning so I can gamble the Nasdaq. I'm probably thinking about doing that for FOMC. You know what? I'm gonna actually move my stop up on this one just in case, because I don't want to deal with this one. I think we're going down. Or I just want a better entry is what I should say to go long. Unless they just fake me out.
Negative delta.
No,
Negative
that's not a
delta,
trend.
huh? Negative delta.
Not a trend. Let me look at the NASDAQ real quick. Yeah, the NASDAQ is, excuse me, holding up. So we got news in 10 minutes. We know it's bullish. Good morning, Maui. Good morning. Actually, let me look at this again. 10 minutes. We got news in 10 minutes. I mean, they're holding that up. Maybe I got out of this too fast. Maybe I got out of this too fast. Let me see. Hey, ES, just let me look at something real quick before you pump or something. Just let me look at it. Just let me look at it. Baby, just let me look. Let me look. Look at something real quick. Damn it. Okay. I've made a mistake. This is long. Oh my god, I made such a mistake. Oh, I made a mistake. This is going long. It's better get a better entry.
I'm laughing at game weight.
There we go. My bad. I made a mistake, guys. I was writing this long. I was right. I think we can get to at least 43, possibly. And if it gets down to 31, I'm willing to scaling it again here. Because I think they're going to protect this low. I think this low now is a strong low. They swept the liquidity underneath this candle. So I think this is a strong low. And that if it falls underneath this candle, then yeah, we're going down. And I kind of want to add to this, but I'll wait until the housing news comes out. Damn it. Damn, man. I got faked out. Got faked out. I should have stayed in my original long. What are you looking at right now? Are you looking at long or short this? I mean, if I'm looking at it right now, I think this is a long on the NASDAQ. I'm not going to lie to you. I think we at least get to.
Well, look, yeah, we got the home sales at 9, but we also got the historically bullish algo.
Yeah.
At the same time, so let me see. We're not breaking. This negative delta is tripping me out, though. It's throwing me off. Like, what?
Yeah, honestly, I like I said, a lot of people's gonna be selling, and I'm pretty sure like a lot of people are selling behind the scenes. That's probably why that stuff is negative like that. But today is definitely a news day. You know, it's more emotions than anything that's going to dictate the direction of the markets today. Since everybody's going to be selling, because FOMC. I don't understand why people are scared of FOMC when the price movement does the same thing. Every FOMC, it doesn't do nothing different. Not too different.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah.
All right, let me get out of these. Ugh. Playing around chasing price.
That's why the Nasdaq is so addictive, because you can do it, man. You can't chase price on the ES, man. That's why I was so mad last night. You can't chase price on ES, man. Mm.
Yeah, because when ES leaves you, it's she's gone.
Mm-hmm.
She's not coming back.
She's
Nasdaq
not coming back.
will come back, tease you, give you that hope.
Mm-hmm.
We can do it. No. No. It's not happening. Stop it. It's not happening.
Yeah, I wasn't necessarily going through it. Like I said, I mean, on days like this, I just tend to just inverse my initial thought. If my initial thought is to go short, then I'm just gonna go long, no matter where I'm at. Because, like, I mean, how often does this happen? It's the same thing, man. On days where you're thinking like the market just pumped up 10 million points, I mean, they gotta take profit somewhere.
Yeah.
But then you gotta think that everybody else is thinking the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody else is thinking the same thing. So I just tend to inverse that initial. If I think about shorting, I'm just gonna long it. I'm just gonna go long. Let me look at the Nasdaq and see what she's doing. Yeah, the Nasdaq, dude. I hope you're not shorting the Nasdaq. This shit is, yeah. Well, I don't know. Well, that's not no bear flag. That is not no bear flag. That's the market trending up and making higher highs. We're in an upward trend channel on the Nasdaq. Yeah. Now I think, yeah, and they're buying off the bottom of the trend line as well as this price goes down. Yeah, they're buying this thing, man. I wouldn't short it.
Or did they just double top that? Nah.
Double top. Let's look at the higher time frame real quick.
Nah. 60, yeah.
I don't know. I mean, if you look at the higher time frame, dude, you know we haven't pulled back to the 21 EMA yet, right?
Oh, but we got news.
We have yet to touch this 21 EMA at all. This thing has just went straight up. And we have a vacuum with price with the Nasdaq. If the Nasdaq can get over this 412 level, man, it's crazy to say, but that 650 level is the next. It's the next level. I mean, we do have levels at 490 and 518. I think I talked about that in a previous meeting, 580 and 519. But if we get over that, the sky's the limit. We can get much higher, baby. We can get much higher. Nah, gang, wait, we ain't shorting it. You can short it. We're not going to be liquidity. We're not liquidity here. We're not your liquidity, gang, wait. You see, gang, wait. We are not your liquidity. Gang, wait is going into every form. Trying to go in the book mat chat, talk about, yeah, guys, let's short it so he can get liquidity for his long. We're not your liquidity game, Wade. Stop it. Get some help.
Stop it. Get some help. Okay. Okay.
All right, so we got the algo. Bounced it off the 21 EMA on the ES, so they bought it right back up. My thing is, I wonder if they're just going to chop this thing. I wonder if they're going to chop it. I mean, I don't think so, because I mean, the decision is not until 1 o'clock this afternoon, so you can make some money before that happens. I mean, why not? Stop it. Get some help.
I mean, that does kind of line up with my.
And dude, kind of going back to what I was saying earlier, you saw how everybody was shorting this damn thing. Like, it's just like, I mean, if you stay on these charts long enough, you just know that in situations like this, if you're telling yourself to short it, just embarrass yourself sometimes, because that's what everybody else is thinking, and that's what everybody else is doing, and their stops is getting used as fuel to push this market up higher.
Order rejected.
That's how I caught that when I longed the top of NASDAQ before and made a new top. Man, I was telling myself to short that thing. I was like, dude, short it, get a quick this, get a quick that. I was like, nah, I've been here before. This is going long. Everybody else is shorting this damn thing. There we go, baby. There we go. Can we get that first target? Can we get that first target on the ES? I mean, I'm up 1,600 in this account already. So, so what I'll do is actually, I'm gonna take off a lot of this risk. Actually, I'm gonna take a lot of it off. I'm gonna take a lot because I'm up 1,600. So, I'm gonna just leave a lot of these to run. Actually, probably because I mean I don't think we're getting a 57.60. I mean, at least not right now, not before the decision, possibly. Let's see. I know I want to take some off at probably at 52. I'm gonna take probably like a lot of this off. Probably have some at 60. Because I really don't want to play these games with the ES today, actually. That's kind of why I don't want to. Because I would have already passed the account if I was trading the NASDAQ. I would have passed it already. So I'm going to take some off at 52.
Stop it. Get some help.
In game where you're going into all the forums. Hey guys, let's short it. We have every reason to short it. We got Powell this afternoon. We got Meta reporting after the earnings. Let's short it, guys. The market's up 5 million points. Instigating the bears.
Yeah, matter of fact, let me check the chat, see what's been going on there. I'm pretty sure. See what their sentiment is.
These bearish. Yeah, let's actually look at the tilt. Well, I mean, at least on the Nasdaq, everybody is. Well, majority of traders are short on the Nasdaq.
Oh, are they?
All right, so they're definitely going to have to break above these highs because it's at least on the ES we do have a double top, so they're definitely going to have to break above these highs. All right, let's see if they do it. If I see them break above this high and they wick down, I'll actually. Oh, never mind. Never mind. We're still going. Can we get much higher, baby?
474.
So that's 51.
474. 474.
You said, am I using Top Step? No, I'm using MFF. I'm just I'll probably use my Top Step account to gamble FOMC this afternoon.
474.
But I actually canceled all of my Top Steps accounts except for the $4 one that I just keep in perpetual. I just trade it to gamble. I don't ever want to pass it. I would never trade a 50K account with a Top Step because of the $150 activation fee behind it. It's just not worth it. It's a waste of money, in my opinion.
Four 474.
Okay, so we'll see.
74.
We'll see if they'll keep pumping this.
74. 474. 474. Ah.
All right, let me look at the NASDAQ. Hope our guy Smith out. Help out our guy. So what are you thinking right now?
474.
I mean, they're are you in something right now? You trying to get into something? What are you looking at right now?
I was long. I just got out and re-entered long because I think they're gonna take it to 470s.
Oh, 470?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do have 470 as a golden zone on my chart. Actually, I have 470 as so. What's more important is that they bounce it off of the golden zone on my chart at 394. That's where this breakout happened. It does look like it's a break and it's a retest to go higher. Damn, look at that move higher. Man. But I am committed to doing this. I am committed to doing this. I am committed. So I'm gonna take off one right here at 10 points. So I got 3 micro contracts left. I'm gonna just let these run. But like I said, I don't think that we'll see. We'll see. I don't think we really get above 50 just yet.
I think we do.
Oh no, I'm talking about on the ES.
Oh. Yes. Yeah.
Actually, let me be more clear. This 53, possibly 55. 55 might be that top. And we might see some consolidation on the ES because we got that breaker structure here at 53. And we haven't tested that level at all. at all yet. So we could see initial rejection from this level when we trade up into it. But I'm not. I said rejection, not a reversal. So I want to be very clear about that. Yeah, yeah, yes. You know to break. You know how to break my heart.
2,
2 ticks. You couldn't have just grabbed that.
2. Dump.
Mm.
7, 52. That still would have missed my. I think I had it at 53.
Mm-hmm.
Still would have missed my target.
Oh shit! The Nasdaq is at 450. I did not
Yeah,
know
hit
that.
450.
I did not know that it touched 450. All right, I didn't realize that.
Y'all trying to y'all dropping it now.
Nah, I don't think so. Here we go, baby. Can we get much higher? Can we get much higher? Can we get much higher? There we go. Target hit. All right, so I got 2 micro contracts. What I'm going to do is start to trail this position. Well, it's only okay. So let me see. So this is only 5 points. Let me make sure I'm doing the math right on this, because right now my mind is not in the mood for math. All right, so I got 5 times 5 times 2. All right, so I'm risking $50. So if I keep my stop where it is, I'm risking $50. Oh, I guess $50 plus. So I'm up $100 right now. So I will lose $150 if it comes back and stops me out. I'm willing to risk that to see higher prices. I'm willing to risk that. Now this, like I said earlier, this could be the power pump right here. The
Yeah.
market is just going up with no pullbacks, and it's just trending up ahead of Powell. So this could be the Powell pump. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see a dump after Powell gets done talking, or maybe a continuation. Maybe he might hit us with 2 pumps. But just be mindful of that.
How's my girl YM doing? Not too.
That's crazy. I just deleted her off my chart.
It says crazy. I just deleted it off the chart.
Okay, so we just traded into that 53 zone. Let's see what price does here. You can see that people are already kind of rejecting it a little bit, but we'll see. See, and I won't add to this position actually. I think I'll be done in this account for today. Like I said, I made like $1,700. I think I'm just going to take that into tomorrow with this account. And all I trade is micros, baby. No more than 10 to 15 contracts on the ES. Mind you, I guess majority of this is, well, only $500 of this is from the NASDAQ.
250.
But the rest is like the 1,200 that I made is from trading the ES. I had to work so hard for $1,200, but it came so easy in the NASDAQ. That's why she is so. That's why she's such a drug, man.
Yeah.
Such a drug. All right, so if you're long on the NASDAQ, it does look like they're trying to break the bottom of this trend channel. They're still buying off the bottom of it, but just pay attention if you get a break below 415, a strong close above below 415. It could be trying to rebalance at 390, but they are still buying at the bottom of that trend channel. So just be mindful of that. See and look. So kind of going back to your question about Top Step, I know that you said that you don't want to use Apex anymore, or are you looking for an alternative to Apex? And if you're, I guess it really depends on what account you want to trade. In my opinion, the best 50K account in the game right now is going to be from MFF. It's only $80, and as soon as you pass, they put you right into a funded account. And the payout structure on that is just too good to pass up, regardless of the dirty stuff they was doing on the Forex side. But this deal is just too good to pass up if you're going for 50K. And I also think, in my opinion, the way that they got all of it set up, all of their accounts, their 50, 150s, and 100K accounts is the cheapest. It goes straight to funded, and it gives you $500 of extra drawdown in every account. So I think that's pretty good. And Top Step X only has micros if you get a Top Step X account. They don't have it for any other platform currently. Okay, so let's look at these charts again. You know what? We can possibly get to 62 before we see a drop. 59, 59, 62. Probably no more than 566. Probably no more than 566. Not until Powell on the ES.
How your shorts doing, gain weight? How they doing?
Yo. Hey, are you looking at my chart right now?
What you see?
You see how they bought out the bottom of this trend channel?
Yeah.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Don't ever let nobody tell you that chart geometry does not work. Don't ever let nobody tell you that. Look how perfectly they're bouncing it and selling it and bouncing it in this trend channel. Like if you stayed at the bottom of this trend channel and took profits at the top of it, and I'm pretty sure that's what people are doing. That I don't know, like stuff like that is amazing to see. Like it's one of those things where you don't initially believe and say, no, it can't be that easy. There's no fucking way until you see it, and it's like, wow, they literally bought it at the bottom of that channel, and they're taking it back to the top of the channel. This is crazy, man. It's a beautiful thing to see.
It is.
Beautiful thing to see, man. We got that target hit. There we go. All right, so we got one more runner contract going. Yeah, I think I'm going to call it here, guys, in this account. I'm going to call it here. I'm actually going to move my stop up, give myself at least... give myself at least 8 points of profits for at least right now, guaranteed.
See how their trend channel works.
Yeah, I'm starting to see that with Apex, that they're not paying people out anymore, even if you do follow the rules. Or let me rephrase that. I am reading the comments. I know that this is an emotional experience for people, especially because trading in this damn market is like a job for real. So when you get to the payout, and they make up an excuse to not pay you out, that can be very frustrating.
channel is so wide on this one. How do you like shorten that? Yeah, let's get this off the chart. Foolish.
Yeah.
Where they at? 71, 71,
Oh no, you went long
75.
on this, right?
Yeah, I just passed these MFF accounts
Yeah, congratulations, dude.
after blowing my take profit for being foolish earlier. Chasing price.
I'm trying my hardest not to pass this MFF account like I did yesterday. So guys, remember when I told I only had $300 left, and I was like, I'll come back tomorrow. I'll come get the money tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I didn't make it past that day. I saw it. I was like, dude, this shit's going up. I'm just gonna get this $300,
I knew
and
you
I
were
didn't
gonna
do it on.
I knew
You
you were
said
gonna
what?
hop back in too after I told you don't do it.
Yeah, it was. Dude, I meant to not do it. It's just that I was like, dude, this is so good. Dude, I'm scaling this. I'm trilling this because this actually might come back. So I'm gonna give myself 10 points of profit in this one. I'm gonna trail this.
Damn. It said 474 and they hit me with the 471. Oh.
He says, see and look says I'll try the one you're using and see how it goes. Yeah, so I haven't. I think MFF for right now is going to be on their best behavior because of what they did on the forex side. We gotta remember my funded forex or my funded whatever the hell their futures name is. That's the reason why we can't use deal anymore. And deal used to be the thing to get paid out quick and easy. You didn't have no problems with deal, and they fucked that up for everybody. So I think they're gonna be on their best behavior on the futures. I haven't heard anything about them not paying people out yet on the future side. At least not yet. Now there was a guy that came out and put out a series of videos saying that that they did deny him or something like that, but apparently, I guess he broke one of the rules or something. Like he was trading his account, his brother's account, and they caught it, and they didn't pay him out. He didn't share that part of the story or something like that. He just wanted to get everybody angry, say they're a scam when I guess he wasn't following the rules, and they still paid him out even though he broke the rule, and they know that he broke the rule, and they still paid him out. So I was like, I know that he's going to be emotionally involved and not see that. And it was like 10K that they paid him out, and they didn't have to do that. So
No, they didn't.
they did not have to pay him out when he blatantly broke the rules. Shit, they didn't even ban him. Like it's like, dude, you sitting on getting on the internet crying and shit, talking about like, like what?
Yeah, how you gonna try to make a what they call that I forget the
Sob
word.
story?
Nah, try to mess with someone else, a company's reputation, crying, and you over here breaking the rules.
Yeah,
Can't be mad at that.
it was crazy, dude. Because I guess he was supposed to get like 20 or 30K, and he was mad about that. But I mean, he was breaking the rules, and the crazy thing is like it's crazy because it's like we didn't even have to pay you the 10K,
Right.
and you crying. Like I mean, I get it, but at the same time, bro,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
you got paid out. They didn't ban you, and you got paid out. You should be happy that you just got to. Like I mean, if you're gonna cheat and kind of get away with it, dude, just take the victory and shut the fuck up. Like, he wanted to cry about it. So I'm pretty sure he's banned now. I mean, if I'm that company, I'm banning him. If I'm MFF, I'm banning him.
Yeah.
But they didn't do it, so I don't know.
Yeah,
But like I said, I
that's
just think that they're just going to be on their best behavior.
yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Over here crying, but you still got paid out a portion. You said
Mhm.
10K. I mean that 10K
That's
is
a
better
lot.
than nothing. It's better
Yeah, it's
than
better than yeah, literally better than yeah.
it ain't 33K or whatever 30K, but it's better than nothing.
It's better than
Which
nothing.
they didn't have to do.
Mhm. You know these prop firms will find any excuse not to pay you out.
Oh yeah, that seems to be the theme.
It's like a casino. It's like, yeah, I know you won, but we don't want to pay you out.
We know
The
you.
house always wins.
We see that you just won here. Well, let's take you to the executive suite. Shower you with all these gifts. We want to encourage you to keep playing.
Yeah. You seen that documentary where they actually do that to people?
Yeah.
It's like they hit you with such like they put you in the finest room, all the glamour. So as soon as you get on the floor, you're thinking, I'm rich. I can gamble, I can have fun. And then you leave the casino broke.
Yeah.
And then a lot of people want to come back and sue the casino and said that they manipulated you. Dude, of course they did. But they never had a gun to your head and say, hey, gamble all your life savings. That's what you did. It's like, it's just a self accountability for me. It's like, dude, just be accountable. I mean, we all know that they do a lot of psychological research. They know in most cases what you're likely to do. So that's shame on them for that part. But at the same time, you're the one that went into the casino and started to gamble. And if you won, you wouldn't have been crying about it. So it's like, dude, it works both ways, man.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, MFF. Just, now I need to come up with a strategy for these funded accounts for MFF. Plus,
Which one you get? You got the 50Ks or you got the which size account you got?
I got the 50Ks because, like you said, they're cheap, $80. Then they gave me a competition account or something. I'm like, huh?
Competition account.
Yeah. I got an email saying, hey, here's your competition account. Like, what? Okay. Let me see. Check
Competition
it out.
account. That's
Yeah, I
interesting.
guess they have competitions. I don't know. They had a competition in March.
Well,
Oh,
I just
dang.
told this dude. Actually, I mean,
This person won $25,000 live account. Nice. Congrats. I guess I'll join you in the micros.
10:30, 10:30, 10:30, 10:30, 10:30. That's like an hour. Hmm. Hmm.
Because you could have how many accounts with MFF?
I think
Yeah.
5, if I'm not mistaken. I already got 4. Actually, I got 1, 2, 3 funded accounts with them so far. I need to get like 2 more or something.
Oh, you got 3?
Yeah, so far I got 3 with them so far. Actually,
On the candle colors. Double click on the candles and then pick your pick your pick your color. I got blue for up, white for down.
So I don't think I guess I can start putting it in but I don't think MFF has a discount code
Yeah,
because their starter accounts are already cheap. So I don't think that MFF is going to have a discount code for a while. It's not like Apex with discount codes out the ass. Sometimes they be doing discounts on their experts accounts, but those are like 20 to 25%. But I don't think they're currently running any promos for MFF. Man, this looks like a double top, man. This looks like a double top. But I'm gonna keep trailing this
no problem, no
because if you
problem,
see like
bro.
a flash down, then yeah.
Gain
But
weight.
well,
He says the short is right. Don't get clapped. Gain weight. I know you're trolling. Don't find out. You could be right though, because I think my target was 474 pre-market. I think I had it at 79 originally. Then I kind of adjusted as this 200 movement average on the hourly starting to slope down. They usually reject around there before breaking it first. So I had 474 upside potential. Look at 19,300. All those orders there. And then they got orders at 150. I bet, you know what? I bet we see epic dump at some point today.
think so.
Or pre-market, something. If not
I mean, I
today,
think
yeah, if not today, pre-market.
yeah, I think so too, man. We're seeing it done, bro. Like this is the power pump. Like I'm getting convinced as the market is just mindlessly going up higher.
This is the power pump.
This has have to be the power pump
Yeah, they want to get to
because the market
500.
has yet to pull back. Like it just went straight up. It is yet to pull back.
Yeah. The only thing I figured pre-market was that they saw that as buy the dip opportunity on all those stocks, especially like Microsoft. Let me see where they're at right now, because I know they were down. They were down bad yesterday. They kind of almost recovered
Mm-hmm.
from where they were. I think they were at like 420 something, 21, 22 when they closed out. They dropped down to like sub 400. It was like 397. I was pre-market or aftermarket. I was like, dang. And they bought it right back up. Can you imagine options? 24-hour options? Man.
Yeah, yeah, that would be crazy. Uh, okay, so they made it to the golden zone, man. They made it to the golden zone.
They hit your golden zone, so we drop.
I mean, I don't know if we dropped, but we made it to the golden zone, to the holy grail, to the promised land, the golden zone.
Oh,
We went fifth
yeah.
to fifth to the golden zone. We went
And,
fifth to fifth.
yep. Dang. Yeah, all you had to do was buy there at like 330 or whatever. Hold that
Oh my
mess.
God. Dude, I'm doing it, man. I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it, man. I'm
What
gonna
are you
do it.
doing?
I'm gonna
You
do it. I'm gonna
shorting
do
the
it. I'm gonna do
trend
it. No,
channel?
hell no.
Why? What you
I'm gonna
see?
buy it.
You buying that?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy it.
But it fell out of your channel though.
It did. But I think it's gonna get sucked back into the channel. That's what I'm betting on.
You think they're gonna break the golden fibs to go to 500? At least 500? Like that's like minimum.
Maybe.
Gain
That is what
weight.
I'm betting on.
Don't find out, bro. Don't find out. He said he want to find out. Gameway, you're not short. I know you're not short. You trying to get the masses to fund your long by making them liquidity in their shorts.
Mm-hmm.
423, 25.
Keep on pumping it, baby. Keep on pumping.
Did we see resistance there? Not really. Kind of saw it as support.
NASDAQ, don't break my heart.
Drop.
Don't break my heart, NASDAQ.
Unbreak my heart. You already up. Ooh, what if they double top it there?
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping. It's like, please, baby, just do it.
Just do it.
Just don't do it. Don't break my heart, NASDAQ. Don't do it. Don't break my heart.
Huh. I mean, it feels like they want to target 500, but we've seen them come up short before. And then mass dump.
Mm-hmm. Kind of like that one time. We're going to 500. And then it dumped. I'm going to close this. Baby. Yo, there's no. Oh my God, no.
It's right back up to
close it as she dumps.
It's right back up to 480 though.
Yeah, I see that they're struggling, but I'm also seeing the bear struggling to short this.
The CVD finally turned positive on Bookmap, or it's been positive for a while now, but all right. You say you could have 5 on MFF? 5, huh?
I think so. Unless they change it. You know, everybody's trying to get all the oh wow, dude. Come on, baby.
88.
Don't do that. Don't do me like that.
Oh, 88 like and you at 89? Dang.
Yeah, don't do me like that. Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that. All right, I'm gonna be done in this account. I'm gonna come back to. Oh, you bitch! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Yeah, what did you just do? How you stop
I trailed my stop. I trailed my no.
Some pre-market continuation.
Okay, let me stop, man. Let me stop. Yeah. Oh my God, NASDAQ. Yo, no. No. Okay. Yo, my name is NASDAQ Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the AQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug.
Sucked back into the channel. 350%.
Back into it. So let's see if we can get a bounce off this golden zone now. Man, that shit's about to bounce, man. Hold on. Okay, I'm kind of just gambling. Let me do this smart. Where are we going? Okay, so we're finding resistance here at this 490 level that we had all the way back in June. So we're finding resistance here.
Yep.
Or initially, we're seeing some rejection. It could go up to 518, but it would have to get past this first. I mean, the ES has yet to drop. The ES has not dropped yet.
You know when you said 600 earlier for the NASDAQ, 6 something? Like, yeah, I got some, yeah, I can see smooth selling up there. And I put a range. This was like probably way back, like 610 to like Yeah, 610, 620. But they would have to get through this 500 first. It's 500
All
level.
right, this is gonna be my last trade for today. I'll just come back with this tomorrow for real, for real. I mean, I made 2K today. I should be happy, but we all know that what I'm trying to go for. You know that I'm trying to just pass this damn account, but um, just be happy and just take this one trade at a time.
Uh-oh, gang, wait. Did they shortchange it again? 94. 494, huh? The board looks hella clear, though. On bookmap. They taking orders off and stuff.
Man, wait, you are not freaking short in this market, dude. You are not. You are not short in this market.
I don't know. Man says he's short. But
Okay.
I don't
Well,
believe
I
him,
guess.
though.
Well, if okay, so let's just say this: if he's short, he's gonna probably take 2 weeks off this time. If he's short.
Well, you got a nice ES trade there. All right, so when you do your Nasdaq trades for micros, because I need to come up with a micro strategy, because I don't really. What's a size? What's the common size that you use, or do you have ATM strategy set up or anything?
Yeah, I have an 18 strategy at 13 contracts. My first
13.
target comes off at 18. I have a I have a an automatic, I don't know what they call it for the stops. A part of the ATM strategy has an automatic stop adjustment where it comes up. So if it goes past, I think if it trades past 17 points and 2 ticks, my stop comes up to 17 points. So it's gonna be like a 1-to-1. But we all know that sometimes the Nasdaq moves so fast that there's times where it moves too fast, where it comes down and it goes underneath that 17, and my stop doesn't get moved up. But I mean, it's better to have it than not to have it, in my opinion, because you know how she likes to shortchange that your first target. So
Yeah.
it's I got one at 18, 27, and I have 5 off at 18, 5 off at 27, and I have 3 runners after that. So initially they're at 36, 45, and 50. But I usually adjust those based on levels.
So
I
you.
think,
Oh, go ahead.
and I have an 18-point stop.
So you go all in at 13. You don't scale in.
No, you know, actually, let me just show the ATM strategy so you can look at it if you're looking at the stream. But okay.
Then for ES.
Actually, let me put that right there just in case. I like to do stupid stuff when I'm not looking. All right, so I call it NASDAQ 11. Let me do this. Edit. Okay, so this is my ATM strategy. So I have an 18-point stop. I have every contract single, so I can adjust them however I choose to. But even though I have them all singled out, I have 5 coming off at 18, 5 coming off at 27, and I have initially 36, 45, and 50 because the Nasdaq likes to move in 50-point ranges. We'll see a 50-point move, and then we'll see a rejection around that size. So that's why I have it set up this way. These stops come up, like I said, this comes up at 17. This comes up at 25 or 26 or something like that. And the last 3 stops, it just moves my stop up until 18 points. I usually move that back. I got to kind of stop doing that, but it moves it up to 18 points. So theoretically, if I don't touch it, I'm guaranteed at least 18 points on these last 3 contracts if it comes all the way back, if I have these as runners. And I think this strategy is like $1,100 if it hits every target. $1,100, 11 to 7, 11 to 7, I think. Now let's do the math on that. I think it's 1100, but so I got 18 times 2 times 5, so that's 18 plus 270. So if your first and second target gets hit, that's $450 off rip. It's 36. Okay, so if you don't move none of the stops, if you don't move anything, it's $712.
Oh, okay.
If you don't move anything and let all your targets get hit. But I usually adjust it, and I think that's probably why I got it. Why I'm saying to myself it's usually like 1100 because I usually adjust it. I just let my runners run. I don't intend to have those as small targets. I tend to have those as runners. And you have 13. Oh, I actually, you know what? Never mind. That's probably why, because I went down from 15 to 18. That's why. Or yeah, 15 to 13. I think initially I was trading with 15. Yeah, I think I was initially trading with 15. That's probably why. And then when it went down to 13, 18 times 2 times 13, and you only lose $460 if you're wrong on the 18-point stock.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to come up with a plan for these and the micros. And then it's what there's I need to read up on their stuff. I just picked them up because they're so cheap.
Did I move this or something? Okay. Well, good thing I did get out. Good thing that shit is whoa. I guess we could see another pump back up to the golden zone, but honestly, if you're still trading, I would actually kind of if you're gonna continue to trade, I would cut my size down because we are getting into that reversal hour. We are getting into it. It's almost 10 o'clock.
Yeah, price action's pretty much dying down right now too.
Yeah.
Which could mean big short come in, ready to come in at some point. Probably give it to like 10:30, 11, 12. We see different times, like 12:30, a super dump, 10:30, sometimes 11. Okay, yeah, but those are done. MFF lets you trade news too? Like,
Yeah. Well, yeah.
or do they got restrictions on it?
No. Yeah, on the funded side, I think there is restrictions. I think you can't trade T1 news or something like that.
I mean, I wouldn't, but what's their wait time? Like a minute after, minute before, minute after, 2 minutes?
We can look at it real quick.
Let me see. I need to read up on their stuff because.
I mean, all of it's in a Discord too. I mean, I guess I could look there. News trading policies. So it's saying that okay, so blah blah blah, exclusively for do not apply during. So this is not so during the evaluations you can trade news. Of course, they want you to blow your accounts to keep you in that cycle. But once you get into the funded side, so I actually just put this on the screen so you know everybody can read it for themselves. But it's saying. All right, so maintain integrity by sticking to your regular trading system, so they don't want to see you deviate from that. So they're saying for all trade. What? Hold on. It's saying for all traders. So FOMC minutes, the meetings, the employment report, and CPI. says, while the prohibited news trading activities and standard trading protocols apply, you may trade through other news releases if it aligns with your regular trading strategy. However, be mindful that data or disruptions with Rhythmic can occur during news events, and MFF is not liable for any issues that arise should you choose to trade in these times. Yeah, so you can't trade tier 1, so I guess during FOMC we got to wait. But it doesn't specify how long you gotta wait.
Right. Usually they say like either
2 minutes.
1
My
to
bad.
2
It
minutes.
does. My bad.
Oh, 2 minutes? Okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
to be safe, you might as well just wait 5 minutes to be safe.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is a good risk to reward right here. Why not? And I'll have everything come off at my stop. This is a risk to reward trade that I'm taking. If we can see the bulls, I guess I kind of do want to get closer to this stop. Because if we see the bulls, if we can see the bulls hold this area, like I said, I don't mind getting in and having everything come off at my stop right here.
So, 50.
If I get stopped out, then that's fine too.
Let me see. Let me check the Discord and see how many accounts they can have.
53.
I know you said 5.
175. So this is as much as I'll give it. All right, let's see how this new. You know what? You know what we haven't asked gain weight. I mean, if he's not trolling, he's saying short, but we didn't ask him why is he shorting. Why are you shorting?
Oh, it's working out now if he faded 500, but you said he was short earlier. That would have put. When was he saying the short? He was saying the short. I don't know. Were we in the 300s when he was saying the short?
Yeah, I would want to know why he was saying that.
Yeah, the why would be good to
Maybe
know.
he's seeing something that we may have missed. Okay. All right. So that's it. I'm out of this. I gave it as much as I was willing to give. All right. So I've made about 2K today. Looks like 2,300 today. I don't know if that's what it's saying on. And then I guess that's good because I mean we're right about done with the stream. We're at that time. We are at that time. But today was a good trading day. We'll just come back tomorrow with this. And I won't be gambling this account FOMC. I will be using my Top Step X account to gamble FOMC today.
Oh yeah. Should I?
You know that. Go ahead.
Should I trade ES in these MFFs? ES micros?
I mean,
I
dude,
can't.
we might actually get. Dude, we actually might. Oh, they might drop this all the way back down to VWAP. Huh. All right.
A VWAP drop on
Let's
here.
see what they do here at 41. Yeah, I'm talking about ES. Let's see what they do at 41. Let's see what they do. To get back down here. Well, I guess if I'm going to go long, I want the most. I would want the most advantage possible. I would want to get in at the 200 or VWAP somewhere wherever VWAP is when price gets to it. That's where I want to get in at. But let me hurry up and change this account over because I'm done. So yeah, I got 1, 2, 3 funded accounts right now with MFF. I'm working on my 4th and 5th.
I'm trying to find where it says you can have 5 accounts with them.
I think they just said that. So let me actually just go into Discord and ask the question so we can be 100% sure. Oh shit! You can have 10. My bad. They must have pumped it back up.
10?
You can have 10.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, I see your question. I see they replied. Maximum sim live funded accounts 3. Okay. You can pass more than 3 challenges, but any accounts above maximum sim funded limits be in dormant state. Okay.
So you can have 10 accounts and only 3 live accounts.
Okay. I see. They're trying to do that whole. Okay. Profit share 100%. First 10K. That's an expert. So the starter is what you said, $150 for 5 days.
Mm-hmm.
You can get your payout.
Okay.
Taking the top step approach.
So my payout approach is just to get the just take one trade. Well, not one trade a day. We take a good trade, we get our targets hit, then that's it, and then we come back the next day. If my Nasdaq account, that's $700 per trade, or at least well, yeah. I mean, shit. If it hits the first 2 targets, then it's more than likely going to hit the rest of them. Because how the Nasdaq moves. If it hits that first and second target, then I think you're for the most part you're good. On the ES, the first target is the big target. So if we can get 9 points with 10 contracts, what is that? Like $450. But I have it set to where I think 5 comes off, maybe like 7 comes off, I think at 9, and then I think the rest of them are just runners. Or maybe I'll just have like the whole position come off. Oh no, I'm not playing that game. Times 5, and probably have, or like 9 times 5 times like 7. So if that's one thing about possibly start doing the 100K accounts with MFF, because I mean, yeah, it's cheaper, but no, I'll just keep it the way I'll just keep it. So with the ES, the way I have it set up is the first 7 contracts come off at 9 points, and that's $300, and then I leave the rest of the 3 to run from 15, 20, 30. But the good thing about ES is that you can scale into a position, and I hate that they stopped me out, and I hate that, man. Damn, that was a 10-point move right there. Damn. Damn.
Well, all right. I think I got my strategy for tomorrow. Can't wait. You gotta be trolling. I don't believe you. I
Trolling.
don't believe you.
But I do expect for the market to dump eventually, though.
Yeah, me too.
Maybe, you know what? Let me just take this in the sim. I don't trust it, but I'm going to take it in the sim. I'm going to see. I want to see if this is actually a short, but I don't think it is. But I just want to see. I just want to see. And the way it's looking,
You gonna find out. Like gain weight.
nah, I'm in the sim. I'm not taking this trade for real.
Yeah, I know. Your sim trade gonna find out.
Let's see.
Uh, positive CBD 465.
Because I think we can I mean, if we do see a drop, we can definitely see about. You can see about at least 90 possibly, because they've been loving that 90 low for some reason. They've been loving that. So we can see. We'll see.
Well, they hit my 474. Actually, beat it by 20 points. Went to 494. So they front ran 500, dropped it about, 494. Okay, to the bottom of that was like 80 some points.
Oh shit, I just saw something. Okay. Yeah, this short is about to find out, I think. Let me just look at this again. I think I saw something. No. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. It can either do one or two things in this situation. But I think it's gonna pump. I think it's gonna pump. Because
I think so
I
too.
fucked up. Yeah, I fucked up. Good thing I took this in the sun. So I kind of saw this after I took the position, and we'll see if it. We'll see. But so we got this big move up, and I missed this two-legged pullback right here into support. I just saw it. I just saw it. I just saw it. I just saw it. Yeah, this is wrong. Okay, that's wrong. So if the bulls get it above this high, then we're going to retest 60. But initially, what I was looking at was when I took this short, I wanted to see what happened. Is that we got a failure right here, and then we have a second failure right here. So let me make sure that my screen is. Let me do that again. So initially, what I was looking for was that I saw one failure right here, and then I saw a second failure right here, and that's why I went short here. I just wanted to see what happened because of that. But then the overall is that we have this big move up, and we have this two-legged pullback, and we got this bounce here at this area of support. So we'll see. But I mean, I guess technically the bounce already happened, because if I'm not mistaken, this is possibly already 10 points. It bounced at 49. Yeah, this is 4. Okay, so it made it 10. It made 10 points. It made 10 points right here, and then it went an extra 3 or an extra 2 points. So this actually might be the dump. I might be right on this. We'll see. But I would actually prefer, if I were to get back long into this, like I said, I'll be looking for the 200 EMA and VWAP to get long.
Yeah, they pumping this back up.
But I do kind of want to look at NASDAQ.
Pump
Yeah,
it back
NASDAQ
up.
is definitely going to probably get back into that golden zone. Oh my God, that's a long. That's a long right there. That's a long. That's a long. That's a freaking long. That's a long.
Yeah, see how that got.
That's a long. That's a long. That's a long.
These
That's a
two
long.
candles got swept
That's a
back up.
long.
These wicks, yeah. They time.
Damn.
They
Damn
either
it.
gonna double
Damn it.
top it,
Damn it.
maybe take it a little bit further. Well, they gotta get through 65 now. With all those orders there. But know how they do. Sweet territory, so
No, like I said, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop. Dude, that's a long. God damn it, that's a long. That's a long. Mm.
Gain weight. Get off my page trolling. No, don't pump it 100 points. No. Using that good old reverse psychology, huh? No, NQ, you can't do it.
All right, man. Okay, let me just stop. Like I said, man, the Nasdaq is so addictive, man. She is so freaking addictive, man.
Did you take another
She's
trade in
addictive.
there?
You said what?
You took another trade on
No!
Nasdaq?
I stopped myself from taking this long. It is logging. No.
Yeah, it's the long.
Yo, this shit hurts my feelings.
It's the long, baby. It's the long. It's the long, baby. Shoot.
You in long right now?
No, I'm not in long. It makes me want to get one last little MFF account just to
Yeah, does it catch it? Yeah.
catch it.
MFF knew what he was doing. It's like, dude, we all know that people just pass accounts and just get back into the Nasdaq to get that high. They're selling drugs with these prop firm accounts, man. I mean, they've seen the weird shit that people do. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and say that I don't be doing weird shit either. I'll pass an account and just buy another one just cause. Like I just want to trade. That's it. I'll pass the account and I'll buy another account. That's it. Don't even really touch my funded account. Cause I mean, you gotta be in the right mindset to trade your funded account, man.
Yeah.
And lately with all this volatility, it's challenging to get into a funded account and just really trade it the way that you're supposed to trade it with all this volatility. I mean, you got 100-point moves up and then a 10 million point move down out of nowhere. Yeah. Man, I should, man. Yeah. That's a long. So if I got in long right now, I'll be up 10 points. I'll be 10 points up in this long. Right now. Wow. Well, about my first target is about to get hit. No, it already got hit. No, it didn't get hit yet. I think it would have just missed it at 76. Yeah, 3 points, 4 points at 76. It would have just missed my first target. All right. But it sounds like you're done.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm just reading MFF's thing for these starter accounts so I can have an idea way to tackle this.
So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna stick with the good old NQ, or
I don't know.
You're gonna come to the ES side?
ES, maybe ES. I might try my let's see. I might try my girl YM. She's lonely. She's been lonely lately. Check her out. Dang, YM. 188. Okay, that's the hourly chart. Let's look at it. Okay, YM. 15 minutes. It pumped 100 points in one candle. Then the next candle is 62. Okay, YM. I see you. I see you, YM. I see you.
Yeah. All right, man. I mean, let me just get off this chart, man. Let me just get off this chart. Let me just get off it.
I see you. YM.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I'm in my stream here possibly. My brother wants to go see that Deadpool versus Wolverine movie. You must go see that at 10:30. So
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna call it here. I'll just be watching from my phone, watching Trading View, see what happens. I probably won't get back on stream, but I'll probably get back to the computer at FOMC just to see what the piss happens, because that's always a fun time.
yeah, yeah, I'm definitely going to be gambling that. The ES moves during FOMC, so it's not like it don't. So I'm just gonna get into my Top Step X account. What I should do is shut down this MFF account until tomorrow, so I'm not tempted the way I was yesterday. But yeah, I'll just gamble. I'll stream. I don't know. Are you streaming or no? You say you're just gonna look at it?
Yeah, I'm gonna just look at it. You gonna stream it?
Yeah, I'll stream it, man. You know I got to. You know we gamble Powell, baby.
Alright, I'll hop in.
Yeah.
I'll hop on your stream.
Yeah, so I'll
Chat.
be back 1:30 Central Time. We'll gamble this.
Alright. Cool. I'll see you then.
Hey. We appreciate you guys joining. Hopefully y'all guys made some money with us. And peace out.
Alright, later, y'all. Peace. Pump it. Gain weight. Pump it.